So we've been talking about the OnePlus Open Fold for a while now, but all I've seen is the hardware. Nothing has been said about the OS, but the OS has been hiding in plain sight right in front of us, and I can't believe we missed this. Gadget Beer. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today's video, we're going to talk about what I think that OnePlus for the OnePlus Open Fold is gonna have as their OS. And this thing's been right in front of us as nobody's talking about it. I don't know if it didn't get a lot of coverage or just it went over everybody's heads, but I was looking at my tablet, that's a little hint there, and I was like, wait a minute, this makes a lot of sense for the foldable. So with that being said, let's talk about the OnePlus Open Fold OS. So we all know that it obviously is going to have Oxygen 13.1, 13.2, and it's going to mirror a lot of what we find on the OnePlus 11. So the OnePlus 11 is right here, has phenomenal OS experience, right? Let me turn that down. I don't know if you can see it good. But if we go to settings, has a lot of settings in here. You got a lot of special features. If you look at the special features, you do got split screen, flexible windows, quick return, quick launch, smart slider, and kit space, simple mode, and Zen space. The split screen that makes better sense on a foldable or a tablet. I know a lot of people do not use split screen on a regular smartphone. I don't know if you do. Let me know down in the comment section if you are one of those that use it on a regular smartphone, but it makes better sense on a tablet size device. But with that being said, quick return, actually some of these features do need to be supported by the app, and I hope more apps, as these features come to fruition, they take advantage of what OnePlus has to offer here. But with that being said, this is the OnePlus 11. I think it's going to be a combination between what we get on the OnePlus 11 on the cover display, and when you open and unfold the OnePlus Open Fold, you're going to get this right here, the OnePlus tab experience, basically. So looking at the tab experience here, you're going to get, basically, when you scroll down, you're going to get the two notification. You're going to get two panels here for your quick toggles and your notification right here side by side, which is absolutely fantastic. This is how it should be. And then you're going to get a landscape experience, right? Stretched out. I wonder if they're going to do what I'm seeing here with the OnePlus tablet, or they're going to do what Google did and take two side-by-side windows and kind of put them to make one big window when you unfold it, or they're going to just do what Samsung does and stretch out each of your screens. But with that being said, let's take a look at some of these quick features here. So if we scroll down, to special features, we're gonna get split view here. Now split view splits two apps side by side, obviously, right? And you can do split view by swiping two fingers down to split view, which is absolutely cool. So let's say I'm in my calendar app. If I just slide two fingers down, now I split view. Let's go ahead and open music, and boom, look at that. Or you can go into your most recent tab there, and it saves this split view. But let's say I want to split Instagram and I want to do my photos, my gallery, bam. Now you have my photos here and Instagram side by side. Now, if I want to, I think some of these do floating windows. That is a possibility as well. Let's go here. Let's go, boom. Floating windows. Now I can have a floating window, resize it any way I want. Standard, mini, bam, look at that. It even tells you what it is and delete it. But let's go back to our settings, and that is split screen view there. Let's go back here, and now we have flexible windows, which is basically what I just showed you. It was the pop-up window, so you can pop up these apps and kind of move them around your home screen and just kind of do that. And you do have other features here as well. You have a button free mode, which hide actions. You can tap the bar on the top of the window to show the close button or something like that. And then you can share via floating window. So whenever you share like an app or anything, it goes into the floating window style. But let's back out of there real quick. And dual windows, basically you can have two of the same apps side by side. Now this does have to be supported by the app, and currently, as you can see, these are the only apps that support it. Let's go out of here. Display size. So this is what allows you to either keep it how Google wants it to keep it, you know, where it just shows you the correct size of the smartphone view of the app that doesn't scale properly on tablets, or you can just force it to rescale to the proper size you want of your device. So if you go to Instagram, I have Instagram on full screen. It's going to go full screen actually. And then if you go to GoPro quick, so it gives you a 4x3, 6x9, and right here it gives you the little animation showing you what it's going to do to the app. I couldn't get Instagram to work properly on this, but it did go in portrait mode, just full screen in portrait mode. But let's go ahead and try it real quick, see if Instagram is going to work here. And see, it just refers back to portrait mode there, but you do get the full app experience here. But if you want to see, I don't like to turn it, so I think what this is going to allow me to do here is if I go to where's the display size, and if I go 6x9 change, and you have to close out the app actually, so if you have it open. So let's go back to portrait mode, landscape actually. Which way? This way. Let's go back to landscape mode here and reopen Instagram. And see, it's gonna give me the landscape. It's gonna let me open it in this orientation, whereas before it just went portrait mode full screen. And you know, they did like Google, you can kind of go side by side here. And that's purposely pixel right there. Make sure you go and subscribe to them. Now, can I resize this? I don't think I can resize this and stretch it. I can just move it side by side. It doesn't allow me to stretch it. Anyways, but that was just Instagram there. The app, if there's more apps here, they'll pop up here and you can actually resize them here in the settings. Let's go back here and take a look at quick return. Quick return is actually just like puts the apps on the side on your main screen. So if you're doing something, you have to do something, it'll pop it up to the side here of your home screen, and then you can do what you gotta do and then just click on it and gain back. Like if you're gaming or something like that, it takes advantage of that. But the apps have to be supported. So this is your section for supported apps. Currently nothing supported right now, but I hope they do adopt some of these features. And then the smart slider here is on the side. Just like on Samsung, you got this smart slider here on the side. You can add whatever you want. You can add any of these apps in here and then done. And you can go to your full, if you need to get quickly to it or you want to access your whole app drawer, you can right off the slider here. You can either put it on either side. So that's going to be fantastic. And Limelight. Now Limelight is basically for like your Zoom, Meet, Teams, anything that has you on video. Basically is going to keep you in the center. If you move side to side, the camera is going to do its best to keep you right in the center and keep you in focus. But there you have it, guys. Those are some of the features that I think are going to be, if not all these features are going to be in the brand new OnePlus Open Fold that's due here to arrive, I think in October is what they said. Let me know down in the comment section below if you know the estimated release date for the Open Fold. But like I said, it's gonna be a combination of the OnePlus 11 OS and the OnePlus tablet OS. It's gonna be a combination of both. The split screen, the floating windows, and all that just makes better sense, and you can take advantage of it better on a tablet form factor. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.